First, mark a line on the wall down from the ceiling. For cornice, this measurement is 84mm. For 100mm cove, it is 67mm, and for 127mm cove, 83mm. It is important to note that where the ceiling is not flat and level, you'll need to mark the wall at the low point on the ceiling. Prepare the wall by removing any wallpaper from the wall or ceiling, or provide a key for painted or bare plaster surfaces. Ensure the surface is free from dust. We're now ready to start measuring and cutting our cornice. When we cut internal or external miters, we have a range of miter boxes which can be used for coving and cornice. Miter boxes can be used for different sizes of coving and cornice as long as a packer is used at the base of the miter block. Place the cornice into the box. Using a fine tooth or old hardpoint saw, cut the cornice. The cornice is now ready to fix. Tack some nails into the wall to support the cornice until it is set. An 84mm spacer can be cut and used for this purpose. Now, mix the Cove adhesive with clean water to achieve a stiff consistency. As a guide, 1 kilogram of adhesive will fix a 4-meter run of cove or cornice. Remember, you'll only have around 40 minutes working time for the adhesive, so only mix as much as you'll use in this time. Make sure you dampen down any high suction backgrounds before fixing your cornice. Using a 100mm wide taping knife, spread Gyproc Cove adhesive down each side of the reverse side of the cornice. Place the cornice into position and press. Clean off the excess adhesive on the face of the cornice. If there's any sagging of the cornice due to the ceilings that are not level, tack a nail into position to support the cornice until it is set. Using a damp paintbrush or sponge, wipe over the cornice along the wall and ceiling line to remove any surplus adhesive. At internal and external angles, further coats of Gyproc Cove adhesive can be applied to achieve a suitable finish if required. Stop ends can also be created to create an attractive finish to the end of the cornice. To create additional features, Gyproc cornice strips or battens can be used. Finally, treat the cornice with a coat of Gyproc drywall primer prior to any decoration.